Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to create a business logo with Dall E3, and it is an easy guide so you can understand these steps easily, and I will promise you the results are pretty amazing. So, if you are a business owner seeking a cost-effective way to create your own logo, you are in the right place. I'll be your guide through every step of this process. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you want to stay informed about the latest AI tools and learn how to use them effectively, you have come to the right channel. We regularly share updates and educational content on harnessing AI in today's world. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support motivates us to produce more content like this. Now, let's get started. To get going, sign in to Bing Image Creator using your Microsoft account. If you are unsure about how to create an account, we've got a video on the topic in our channel. Be sure to check it out. Once you are on the dashboard, you will notice the importance of credits next to the text box. These credits are essential for quick image generation. Running low on credits can slow down your image creation, but there is no need to worry. They have a system to earn more credits by using the platform. Each prompt consumes only one credit. So, even if you are experimenting, your credits won't run out too fast. To create compelling images, it is best to follow a specific template. This template begins with an adjective, followed by a noun, a verb, and ends with a design-related element. Now that we are acquainted with this template, ChatGPT can aid in crafting prompts, particularly when you are uncertain. Simply make a request like, "Could you generate a text prompt using this template?" Adjective plus noun plus verb plus logo design. It will generate suitable prompts as per your request. For instance, you could ask, "Could you provide me with 10 prompts related to a coffee shop?" As demonstrated, it offers example prompts related to logo design. If you find the prompts created by ChatGPT satisfactory, you can proceed to Dall E3. However, if you are not entirely content, you can continue to request more prompts from ChatGPT until you are satisfied with the options. Additionally, keep in mind that you have the flexibility to customize the prompts generated by ChatGPT if you are seeking inspiration, as it ultimately depends on your preferences. Now, we will go back to our Bing Image Creator platform or Dall E3. To proceed, paste the generated prompt text from our chat and click Create. Impressive, right? One standout feature of Dall E3 as a logo generator is its ability to accurately incorporate words into images, surpassing other AI image generator platforms. Let us use an example prompt. At the end of the prompt, you pasted "add," which contains the word "warm coffee." For this demo, let us say the coffee shop is named Warm Coffee. Here is a useful tip for your business or shop's branding. When you want to highlight your business or shop's name, consider using quotation marks. For instance, like this example, present it as the quotation "warm coffee." This simple adjustment can make a significant difference, and here is why. Dall E3, the advanced AI model, comprehends and consistently spells it correctly. To illustrate the impact of this practice, take a look at this sample where I didn't use quotation marks. In these cases, the spellings tend to be incorrect or inconsistent. However, when you employ quotation marks in the input prompt, the results are notably different. Almost all the images generated displayed the correct text "warm coffee" is consistently spelled correctly. This is truly remarkable. As other platforms struggle with correcting text inputs, while Dall E3 excels in this regard. In the next step, I will experiment with some of the text prompts we created earlier in our chat with GPT. Let's see how they turn out. What are your thoughts on these images? Do you find them superior to other AI image generators? Are you satisfied with the results achieved through the collaboration of ChatGPT and Dall E3? I eagerly await your feedback on the images and your thoughts on Dall E3's logo creation capabilities. Feel free to share your comments below. Thank you for watching. And again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out and I would love to see you in the next video.